to my channel. Happy Eid Day to all of you. Assalamu alaikum and happy Eid Mubarak from Muzaffar. Today I'll explain you why we celebrate Eidaladha. First we have month of Zulhijj and the day of Arafa, 9th of Zulhijj for forgiveness of all the Muslims. The next day, 10th of Zulhijj, we do sacrifice in the name of Allah and celebrate with all our Muslims, brothers and sisters. Remember, let not forget the unprivileged ones. Sacrifice means to share your happiness and meal with others. Happy Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid Mubarak. Dua of Arafa. La ilaha illallah. Wahdahu la sharika lah. Lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu. Wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Friends, if you like my channel, hit the bell button and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. I like you, friends.